Shana.
Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. And guys, I was talked into doing another Meijer Must Do Deals video. So there is a 7 for 7 sale happening at Meijer this week, and it's really, really good. So so basically Sunday, November 6th through the Saturday, the 12th of 2022, we have this sale going on. It's a really, really hot deal. There's actually 0 freebies in it, but there's so many really good and cheap deals. You're definitely gonna want to stop at Meijer for sure. So if you like Meijer, so my Meijer peeps out there, I would love to get back into doing these videos. I just don't get the views for these, and it just feels like a waste of time for me. Not that I don't love to go to Meijer, and I still will find deals for me to go shopping there, but as far as to take all the time it takes to put together a video, I just don't get very good views. So if you like Meijer videos and you want to see them regularly, do me a huge, huge favor. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure that you like this video, and make sure that you comment below. Watch the whole thing from the beginning to the very, very end. That helps YouTube to push it out more so that I can continue bringing these Meijer videos to you. If more people will watch this, I will definitely make time to make them. But I need everybody to help me out with this because it's really not worth it for what I was getting. Okay, all that being said, let's check out what's happening at Meijer. All right, so we do have a deal on turkey at Meijer this week, 55 cents per pound on your frozen Meijer turkey there. And then, of course, it does say Butterball you can get for $1.29. I know some of you are starting to get those free turkeys from Ibotta. I did not check to see if it was available at Meijer too. I knew it was at Kroger and obviously Walmart, but definitely check and see. Or if you're just not worried about Ibotta, you're just trying to get a good price on turkey, 55 cents per pound this week for turkey, limit of 2. All right, let's talk about a really great deal here. The Outer Aisle cauliflower keto sandwich thins. Really hard to say. Or I believe the pizza crust. So either one. They're regularly priced $6.99 and there's no sale price, but there's a 2-off-1 in perk. So make sure that's loaded. Pay $4.99 out of pocket, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $4 back on one. It's limited of one time. So one of these is just 99 cents. This is a $7 product that you're going to get for $1. It's a really, really great deal. I'm definitely grabbing these because my husband is low carb, and I try to do low carb some, but let me tell you, I have tons of Halloween candy in my house, and I'm not doing well at that. All right, so 99 cents for this really great deal. Next, we have the Airwick Essential Mist Kit. Now, these are regularly priced $10.49. There is a 5-off-1 in perk. Load that in perk, or if you don't have that, you can submit to coupons.com app. They also have a $5 back. Out of pocket, pay $5.49, and then submit to Ibotta for $5 back on one. I think it's a limit of one time. I didn't put that on there, sorry. Final cost ends up being just 49 cents for one of these. Now, really cool thing, if you saw my Kroger haul the other day, I had the refill that attached to this, so I haven't had my starter kit reload yet. So I'm really fingers crossed it reloads because I don't have a starter kit. I just have a refill now that I got for free and made money on, which is fine. But I would love to have the starter kit so I could actually use the refill. So anyway, fingers crossed that I'm going to see that reload here soon. Next deal we have is grab 2 of the Coca-Cola with coffee, the cans. They're regularly priced $2.15. There is a buy one, get one in perk. So out of pocket, you'll just pay for one of them, $2.15. But Ibotta also has a rebate for 50 cents back on one. It's limited 5 times. So you're going to get a whole $1 back there, even though you only paid for one. Final cost ends up being $1.15 total, or roughly 58 cents each, 58, 57 cents each, something like that, for these 2 cans. Really great deal here. Next deal is you want to grab 2 of the pink, either the vitamin or the supplements or mix and match, that kind of thing. Now, the prices do vary on some of them, but the cheapest one is $11.49. There's quite a few that are that price. The sale is buy one, get one this week, so you're going to grab 2 of them. One's going to come out completely free. There's a $2.50 off one in perk. Make sure that is loaded. So out of pocket, you're going to pay $8.99, but then you're going to submit to Ibotta for $2.50 back on one. It's limited of one time. Final cost ends up being $6.49 total, or $3.25 each, which is a really, really great deal. I always say I'm going to grab these. I never do. I always forget about them, but I really hope I can because I'd love to get some of these vitamins. Look like they would be easy and they're they're just cute. I don't know. Cute vitamins make you feel better. I don't know. Next deal here, grab 2 of the Kraft shredded cheese. These are regularly priced $3.19. They're going to be $2.50 each when you buy 2. So you have to buy 2 in order to get that price. So out of pocket, pay $5, but then you can submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on 1. It's limited 5 times. You get a full $1 back. Final cost ends up being $4 total or $2 each, which I think is a pretty decent deal. Check for kind of like tear pad coupons. I've seen those around for the Kraft. So if you can find some of those, you might be able to get a better deal. We also have a really great deal on bacon this week. So Smithfield bacon, 12 ounces. You want to grab 2 of them. They're regularly priced $6.19. They're on sale for $3.99, which actually is a really decent price there. But we also have $1.50 off 2 in perk. So the final cost ends up being $3.24 each. Now, as you can see from my picture, it says my store is out of stock, which really stinks. So I am going to be heading near another Meijer to go to work tomorrow. So I may try to stop there and see if I can get this bacon because it's a really good price. But nice price here. And of course, it could restock by the end of the week too at my Meijer. Next deal is an okay deal. It's Quaker oatmeal, 42 ounce, regularly priced $6.09. There's $1 off 1 in perk. Out of pocket, pay $5.09. Then you can submit to Ibotta for 2 back on 1, limited 5 times. Final cost ends up being $3.09. I believe Kroger has a better deal on them this week if you have a Kroger, but if you don't, not a bad deal here. We also have a deal on the Sister Schubert's dinner rolls. These are regularly priced $4.19. They're on sale for $2.99 each, and we have $1 off 1 in perk. So make sure that's loaded. Grab one of these for just $1.99. And these always we get lots of deals on these around Thanksgiving for obvious reasons, but they are frozen, I believe. And so you could stock up on them when they're really good price, throw them in your freezer, and then pull them out later on in the year. You don't have to use them for Thanksgiving, so not a bad deal. All right, guys, so we have been waiting for the 7 for 7 sale. I do love this sale. It's a really great sale. From the picture right there, you can see there's a pretty decent price on hot dogs. So all meat products have been going kind of high. So I like to grab hot dogs when they're $1 and stock up on them. And so I'm probably going to grab some of those. Also check some of your produce. So like the pineapple there, we have the pomegranates, and I think I saw somebody else said that they had raspberries. They might vary from your region, but go walk around your produce section and see if you can find good produce that are part of the 7 for 7, and you're going to get them for just $1, which is a great price. So now let me show you some of the deals that are happening with this as well. So the Breakstone's cottage cheese doubles are regularly priced $1.39. Buy 7 for $1. Now you don't have to buy 7 of the exact same product. You can mix and match. So if you want to like max out this Ibotta rebate, just grab 5 and then find at least 2 other items that are a part of the 7 for 7 and buy them to get that $1 price. But out of pocket, it's $1 each. Submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on 1, limit of 5 times. Final cost ends up being 25 cents each. That is amazing. Really great deal there. Next deal is the Cheeto mac and cheese. Now these are regularly priced $1.49. Again, part of the buy 7, so they're just $1 each. Out of pocket, that's what you'll pay, but then you can submit to Ibotta for 25 cents back on 1. It's limited to 5 times. Final cost for these, 75 cents each. And again, if you're working towards any kind of bonuses for Ibotta or trying to get your free turkey or something like that, this is a great one to grab. All right, so I'm really excited about this. I do fear that the store is going to be wiped when I go up there, but it does say they're all in stock online, so amazing deal. Capri Sun 10 count, regularly priced $3.19. They're part of the buy 7, making them $1 each. Now, it didn't say it in the ad that these were included. I did see a couple people post about them online. So what I did to double check this deal to make sure it worked, I went online and I added 7 to my cart. And as you can see the picture there on the bottom there, it comes out to $7 total. So I saved $15.33. Now I don't have to buy 7 of them, even though that's still a really great deal. I might do it anyway because we go through drink boxes like crazy, but you just have to mix and match them. So, but I wanted to make sure that this deal would work. So yes, they are confirming they are $1 each. Rockstar drinks are regularly priced $1.99. They're also part of the buy 7, so they're just $1 each, which I'm so excited about. My husband needed some last week. We ended up buying them for $1.99, and then we did have the 50-cent off, or the 50-cent back from Ibotta. So it was $1.49. Not terrible price, but I was not liking it. And then, of course, it pops up that they're $1 this week, so I will be stocking him up like crazy. So out of pocket, pay $1 each, but then you can submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one. It's limited to 5 times. Final cost ends up being 50 cents each. And yes, my Rockstar rebate did reload, so I am grabbing all 5 of these, probably more than that. And if it reloads again, I'm going to go get more because my husband drinks like 1 a day, and that's super cheap. 50 cents for these that are normally $2. Yes, I'll take it. Next deal we have is the Cracker Barrel Bites. Now these are regularly priced $1.99 each. They're just $1 with the buy 7. Out of pocket, that's what you'll pay, but then you can submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on one, limit of 5 times. Final cost 25 cents. I mean, ridiculous. Easy, fun snack. Great for the kids, great for the parents, adults. So 25 cents each, amazing. I'm going to grab all 5 of mine when I head to the store. Next deal is also part of the same ad part, but the Meijer cream cheese is regularly priced $1.95. Now, my store said it was on sale for $1.79, and it is a part of the buy 7, so they should be $1 each at that point. Final cost just $1, and for cream cheese, that's a really good deal. If you'll notice, obviously, we have prices skyrocketing all over the place with inflation, and cream cheese is one of those that's really high. So, especially right before the holidays, a lot of people like to make desserts and stuff with cream cheese in it. It's going to be expensive. So if you need that, grab them this week. Stock up. Cream cheese is not the best to freeze because the texture changes, but if you're using it just to like cook and stuff, then you could freeze it. It won't matter. But if you are wanting to eat it, I would not freeze it. I would put it in the refrigerator. I learned this the hard way, just letting you know. Little Debbie ice cream, 16 ounce. If you've ever wanted to try these, this week is the week to try them. They're regularly priced $2.99, so $3 each, but they're going to be just $1 each with this buy 7, and that's a really great deal. So if you've ever wanted to try the Cosmic Brownie ice cream or Nutty Bar ice cream, $1 each, that's worth trying. I don't want to pay $3 for a little 16-ounce pint of ice cream. I want to pay just $1, and I think that's a good deal. Another one that I think is a really great no coupon deal is the Planters Peanuts. Now these are regularly priced $3.75, guys. Just $1 this week. Craziness. Yeah, my girls, it's so crazy. My girls love these. And we usually don't get the Planters. We usually get like the Kroger brand or Meijer brand if I'm going to buy them because they're usually cheaper. But for $1, no way. I'm actually, what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab some for them this week, and I might grab some of them and wrap up for Christmas. I kid you not. They would love this. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Another really great deal that it's hard to get really great deals on meat and produce. So this week is going to be awesome. Swift bacon wrapped pork fillets, the 5 ounces, regularly priced $2.99, are part of this buy 7 for $1 each. And I did confirm it. I already had the 7 Capri Suns in my basket. So I just added 1 of the Swift bacon into my basket to check. And sure enough, it showed up just $1. Craziness. This is a great deal. I cannot wait to have this for dinner one night. We're going to grab some of these. Let me know if you've had these before. How's the best way to cook them? What do you do? I'm not the best cook in the world, so any advice you have, please leave in the comments below. Alright guys, I hope you like this Meijer video, and if you do, I know what you're going to do. You're going to hit that subscribe button, you're going to hit that like button, you're going to leave me a comment, and then hit the share button and share this with somebody on your social media because you know they want the same deals that you do. Have a wonderful week, guys. I will see you later, and I'm so glad I got to do a Meijer video again. Bye, guys.